Hi everyone, my name is Anu and this is my last and final STEAM challenge. This week I made a Pong game using the Turtle library. This is my code. And here's my game. So the red color paddle is player A, and it uses the up and down arrows. And the blue color paddle is player B, and it uses the S and W arrow letters. So every time the ball touches the paddle, it bounces and goes to the opposite team's side. And if it touches the top and the bottom, it bounces off too. Also, if it crosses the paddle, then the other team earns a point for scoring a goal. So, like this. And now it's gonna go and score on the other person's side. Like that. And you can see that the other team has earned a point. So this is my game. Thanks for watching. And I would also like to acknowledge Tech Bytes Foundation for hosting the 10 Weeks of STEAM Challenge. Thanks for watching. Bye!